What's going on, guys? Welcome back to KILLZONE Outdoors. I'm out here fishing with Jack. You know, you've seen him in a couple videos from the winter, but we're just going for some bass today. We're going to try throwing some Senkos, might throw the jig a little bit, and we do see quite a few lily pads and stuff. It's overcast, so we might try throwing the frog or some other kind of topwater baits. So we'll give it a shot here and hopefully we can catch some good fish.
I knew I had one.
Doubled up.
Doubled up. Woo. We're going. I thought it was sunny at first.
Damn. My first fish on the Senko. That's his second. We doubled up.
There we go.
Woo!
About a pound.
Put them in here. I don't know where they came from. But crappies and something were gigantic. They really were.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now it's a lot of pick and choose. But I don't know. I guess you gotta have a lake. Gotta have the lakes freeze out, you know, in order to restock them or what have you.
That's true, yeah. Yeah, get some more time, they'll get bigger.
Yeah.
Oh.
You have them?
Yep. There we go. Well, this is a bigger one. Maybe not.
There we go. We're getting bigger. Bigger drop.
First one on the jig today.
Oh. Ooh, yeah. Nice one. Nice one. Holy crap.
That's a big one.
Holy crap. That one's thick. Oh my goodness. That one's thick. That would be a nice picture right here. Look at that. Alright, catch it. Yes, sir.
339.
Yes, 3.5. Yeah. I guess 18 inches.
339. That's a pretty good bass. There was a submerged chair. I threw the Senko right under there, and I pulled this pig out of there. So it's a pretty good fish.
Yeah, that's why the chair's there.
Ooh, this is a big one. Ooh, this is a big one.
5?
Woo.
Oh, don't stop wiggling around.
That's a good one right there. Alright guys, just was throwing the Senko and all of a sudden my rod was almost ripped out of my hands and caught a pretty decent pike, so that's a bonus for today. Alright guys, so me and Jack just got off the lake. I just got home and what a day. So we actually started out, me and Jack got doubles, and then from then on we were just catching some smaller fish. And it wasn't until later in the day when the sun came out, it got a little bit hotter. That's when I got that 3.5 pound bass. And I actually caught that pretty big northern, and that was actually pretty cool because I haven't caught a northern that big in quite a while. So it was a real treat to be able to catch that fish today. But another cool thing is that so that lake had actually froze out probably about 4 years ago, and we were talking to a guy who was fishing from shore that was telling us about how it froze out. And now that I remember, I actually fished that winter that it froze out. Me and my dad and Dave and my uncle were out there. We were crappie fishing, and not too long after that, we heard that it froze out, and I hadn't fished that lake since. But it's pretty cool to see that the lake is starting to come back. There's some pretty big fish in there, as you can tell, but it's just going to keep getting better, and I can't wait to see what it's going to be in another year or so. But if you liked what you saw today, click down here to subscribe. If you want to see the last video, click over here. Thanks for watching, guys.